What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about Atlas Earth. So basically, with Atlas Earth, I've been saving up my Atlas bucks for quite some time now, and I've got enough to where I can buy some parcels and do something with. So with that being said, I'm gonna spend some Atlas bucks today and get some more parcels and boost my revenue a little bit on Atlas Earth. And with that being said, because I'm gonna be doing this, I'm gonna show you a very easy, quick and fast method to save up Atlas bucks so that all of you know how to save up Atlas bucks and use Atlas bucks to buy more parcels. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. So I have not made an Atlas Earth video in quite some time. It's been probably about a year since I've made an Atlas Earth video. So that being said, we are making this one today. So with this video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about how I've been able to save up Atlas bucks to get parcels and things like that. And basically what I've been doing is just boosting every single day. Obviously, I've been boosting my rent. That doesn't give you Atlas bucks, but when you log in every single day, you get to claim your one Atlas buck for the day. That'll give you your first Atlas buck for each day, and then every so often it goes up. You'll get like 8 Atlas bucks, 20 Atlas bucks, whatever, you know, the further you go up the ladder. So that right there will give you Atlas bucks. Plus, if you watch the ad video in the shop, that'll give you 2 Atlas bucks every 20 minutes. And if you keep doing that throughout the day, that'll rack up some Atlas bucks. And if you like to play games, the arcade is always dishing out a bunch of Atlas bucks for some games. And of course, you have to be a new player of these games. You can't have already played these games in the past. So I've been saving the Atlas bucks, doing the games, watching ads and all that stuff like we just talked about, and basically I've saved them up, and now I want to jump up and parcels a little bit. I'm at 85 parcels right now, and so basically I am just going to jump up to 100 parcels, and then I'm going to stop. And when I mean stop, I'm just going to stop right now, save the rest of my Atlas bucks, and I'm going to save more until I can get 50 more parcels. That way I can stay locked in. So 150 is where you'll be able to earn probably quite the most. So the further you go up in parcels, the more parcels you have, kind of the less you'll earn. But 150 parcels is kind of like a sweet spot to stop. So I'm gonna spend Atlas bucks, go up to 100 parcels, stop, and then save up again for 50 more parcels, and then stop, and then I'm going to save up until I can get 200 something. So that is the plan, and that is what I'm doing. If you're interested in Atlas Earth, hopefully you're watching this to get some tips. If you're new to Atlas Earth, hopefully you're watching to get some tips, because I've been playing Atlas Earth for quite some time, and it has taken me quite a while to really get a good routine going with Atlas Earth. But I think I have squared it away, and I'm basically using Atlas Earth every single day and making sure I'm getting Atlas bucks and making sure I'm boosting my rent as much as I can. Alright, so right now we are going to go onto the app, and I'm going to buy my parcels up to, I think I have 85 right now. So we will buy what, like 15 or so, and then I will stop, and we're just gonna see how many Atlas bucks I have left. All right, we are on Atlas Earth. As you can see, I have 2,577 Atlas bucks. I've been saving up for quite some time. And today, I'm going to buy 15 parcels. Oh, so that's new. They tell you how many you have. That's new. So I got 86. $87. Dang. I don't like common ones. Ooh. Alright, 10 more. We're just gonna speed this up, and I'll see you after the 10. Alright, my 100th plot was a common. I did get a legendary one. I got one legendary, and I got a few epics, and I got quite a few commons. So if you see, I did get like one legendary, and I got a few epics, and I got a few rares. So we are at 100 parcels right now. I still would like to get some more badges, but I think we're sitting at a sweet spot right now. We got 100 parcels. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna save up enough to get 50 more parcels, which would be quite a lot. I need a lot of Atlas bucks in order to do that. Like 5,000. But yeah. Alright, so I messed up with this clip. I thought I was recording, but I don't know. There's like no audio on this clip of me. So basically what I was trying to tell everybody is there's this app called Parcel Atlas Earth Calculator, and basically you can just enter your parcels, your commons, your rares, epics, and legendaries, your hours that you boost per day, plus your passport boost, and it will tell you how long it takes to make $1. And it tells you how many dollars made per day. And at 100 parcels, it says 32 cents for me. And it takes 3 days, 3 hours to make $1. And at a boost tier rate of 30 times, I'm still within that zone. So 1 through 150 parcels, every time you boost your rent for the day, you'll get 30 times. So if you're over 150 parcels, it'll be like 20 or 25 or something. All right, let's run by the ways to get Atlas Earth bucks, Atlas bucks, pretty fast, and how to save them up and that sort of thing. So the first thing that you want to do when you open the app every single day is you want to claim your daily login, and that'll be the first way to get Atlas bucks for the day. The second thing you want to do is boost your rent if it's not already boosted. This does not give you Atlas bucks, but this will help you earn more money. And after you've boosted at least once, you need to go over to the shop and you want to claim your 2 free Atlas bucks for watching an ad. And after you're out of the shop and you got your 2 free Atlas bucks, then you want to go over to the Atlas arcade and you want to pick some games that you haven't played before and some games that you may or may not like to play. So then you play the games, you earn some Atlas bucks, then you go back to Atlas Earth and you want to claim your 2 Atlas bucks again, because every 20 minutes you can claim 2 Atlas bucks, and so on and so forth. And you want to make sure that you're always boosting your rent. You want to make sure it's maxed out all the time. And if you do this all the time, every single day, and you keep up with it, then you will have quite a bit of Atlas bucks. You'll be able to buy quite a bit of parcels on Atlas Earth. So that being said, hopefully this helped some of you, and if it didn't, then it didn't, and if it did, please let me know below. If you like this video, please drop a like on this video, as well as subscribe to this video to see more videos like this video, as well as other earning videos about other earning apps. Also, I put all of the important links down in the description of every single video on my channel, so make sure you check out the description for important links. Links about apps, links about a bunch of other things down in the description. That being said, I thank every single one of you for tuning in today to this video, and I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.